Hello, this is Sheetal. Today I'm going to teach you an antioxidant-rich remedy that is very easy to make, only takes about 3 or 4 ingredients and is wonderful to enhance the glow, radiance and firmness of your skin. So before I get started, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to put together this antioxidant-rich, glow-enhancing home remedy for yourself. The first ingredient you need is instant coffee, and if you're wondering why, it is a very good source of antioxidants. It's also a naturally occurring diuretic, which means that if you have any puffiness issues, let's say around your eye area, then it is a wonderful ingredient to reduce that. So we need about 1 teaspoonful of instant coffee for this remedy. Ingredient number 2 is turmeric, which is called Haldi in Hindi, and I've said so many times before too, I don't tire of singing its praises, and that's also because it is a wonderful antioxidant, and it also is a very good skin evening ingredient, and it also enhances the glow and radiance of your skin. So we just need about 1/8 teaspoonful of it, no more than that. We don't want to stain our skin. Ingredient number 3 is powdered brown sugar, and if you're wondering why, it is a very good source of glycolic acid, which is a naturally occurring alpha hydroxy acid, which increases your cell turnover rate so that your skin can be left glowing and spotless. So I just added about 1/2 teaspoonful of brown sugar. Ingredient number 4 is vitamin E oil, and we know that vitamin E is a very good antioxidant. It also nourishes your skin and reduces or reverses free radical damage, which makes your skin look glowing and youthful and firm. So I added about, I want to say 5 or 6 drops of vitamin E oil into this remedy. Alright, so the last ingredient is some high quality rose water. For me, I use Apsara's Rose Dew Toner, and you can use your favorite Apsara toner as well, because all Apsara toners are based on pure rose water, and plus they have so many other added ingredients in them. So we want to use enough to make a runny paste. You're going to mix everything together until the sugar and coffee both have completely melted into the rose water very uniformly. This takes about 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so everything is mixed together, and it's very runny, like this, and that's how it should be. Okay, so before you apply this remedy on your skin, I'd say take a wet paper towel and wipe off your skin to take off any makeup. Alright, so let's get started. We just need a cotton ball, and we're going to dip our cotton ball into the home remedy and just dab it on our skin. Now the first thing I'll tell you is that it feels sticky, and that's because of the brown sugar in the remedy, and that's exactly how it should feel. Use this remedy all over your neck also. It's kind of a rule of thumb, whatever you're doing, whether it is your skincare routine or a home remedy, you should always use it on your neck also. Alright, so this remedy is on my skin now. I am going to let it dry for about 12 to 15 minutes, and I can use it, and you should use it about 1 to 2 times a week, no more than that. You're going to wash it with lukewarm water after about 12 or 15 minutes, and then you're going to follow it up with your daily skincare routine, which means toner, serum and lotion. Take a moment, visit me at apsaraskincare.com, and up until the next time, take care, go natural, it is good karma.